This thing freaking works awesome. It's got me super excited. I have cut probably 2 hours out of the backyard. Some points to it. It cuts 110 inches. Obviously, if you had a 110-inch mower. I do have some property to cut. There's roughly 4 acres, but it would be too big. It wouldn't fit between the building, a lot of the smaller areas around the house, the front yard. What I like about this is you have the capability of cutting 110 some inches a yard, and the flip of a switch, unhooking it and getting between all the ins and outs, the smaller areas, tighter spots. I have a 2010 60-inch X-Mark, and I pretty much this time went and cut all my tight stuff in between the trees and buildings and house and squared it off, and then cut all the big open area. And as you can see in this video, it does get between some pretty tight stuff. I still have the capability of almost a tight zero turn, probably within a 1.5 to 2 foot circle if you were to cut it. One way you can zero turn, but hopefully everybody enjoys, because this freaking thing is awesome. I recommend anybody that's got some extra parts here and there laying around, slap a motor on a deck, put some bogey wheels on it, and go to town. I mean, it's exciting when you build a project and it actually pays off and accomplishes a goal. You know, my 3.5 hour yard is now just under 2. I think I got it down to an hour and 50 minutes. So hopefully everybody enjoys. As you can see here, it makes it around this tight tree very well. The way I have it on there, up to the mower, is offset, so you do have to watch it, because the way it swings and pivots, it does go pretty wide. You can get in trouble with it. But overall, this thing is just so awesome. Coming up here, I got some clips on board, camera footage of it doing some work. And at this point, I got a quick time lapse of it working, and I do have most of the bugs worked out of it. I got to get a few things here and there for it, but again, like I said, I can't say it enough. This thing is freaking great. And here's a clip of me not having enough to do in my schedule, so I took on my neighbor's 2 lots. Between the 2 houses, I got 2.5 acres to cut, and this saved my ass. I mean, you can see how tall it's gotten. The grass is way overgrown, and I cut this yard down to hour and 20 minutes, I think it was. But I'm still learning it. I'll get faster with it as I go. And I'm very, very pleased with how well it works as a finish mower and as a rough cut mower. It acts like a brush hog as well. It skips a little bit, but that's to be expected at, 2 foot tall here. And actually, that was probably the first time I had cut it this year, so it was pretty raggedy. But overall, works very well. Hopefully, if anybody had any ideas of building one, this gives them some insight on it, because it works very well for me.